okay, buddy. Doing it again.
Migos not Migos is like.
Hey, buddy. How are ya?
Doesn't even do any good. Migos heard it so much it doesn't even faze him anymore. It's just like,
Like, whatever, man. Screw you.
dumb dog.
No, that was cute.